Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Care One over ear headphones, as you can see just here. Now why we're keen to do this is one of our reviews where we actually get the product and actually open it up and do our impressions to set it up while we've got you with us. So the idea being is you can actually see what it's like when you get the product yourself, so you can make a decision. If you want more in-depth videos, there's more later as well. But we're very keen to look at this. And also check out our giveaways we've got at the moment. We're giving away $1,000 worth of prizes, multiple entries, and it gets sent directly from the manufacturer. So anyway, let's have a look at the product here. So there you are just there. So the Care One, there's the box. Good sized box as well. It feels like a good quality build. Not too much on it about the actual product, which is unusual. Normally it has a bit more about kind of what it does and how it works. So let's go and take a look and open up the box. Always very exciting to do this with a new pair of headphones. So here is it here. So it comes out, so plastic bag there, another plastic bag. That's the audio cable and a quick start guide as well. So put those to the side. It's good to see they bring an audio cable as well. Very rarely do they do that. Normally with Bluetooth headphones, they only do Bluetooth. So there's a packet, a Douqas packet there as well. So it's a Douqas Care One headphones. So open it up. Kind of like the metallic kind of space look as well, isn't it? Nice. And here are the headphones too. So pretty simplistic packaging. Kind of no bells and whistles really with this. And there it is there. So kind of take it off, open it up. So just going to rip the bag here, guys, just because we want to make it quick so you guys can see what it comes with. Now these have been quite popular headphones online as well. Had a lot of reviews. So that's why I'm very keen to see. Damn. Okay, after a bit of a struggle, I got it out of the plastic. So here are the headphones here. Now start with, I like the design. I like the gold and kind of the black. It looks quite nice, doesn't it? Kind of good feel. And there's the cups. Feels similar to other budget kind of headphones I've done in the past. So the quality feels good. The build feels quite good. So on the back here, you've got the controls. So that's play, change tracks. And there you've got the Bluetooth connection. I think that says it's equalizer settings possibly, and a turn on. You've got the USB-C cable here. And again, the nice touch is you've got the headphone jack too, so you can use on the headphones. Again, it's expendable. It feels like it's not gonna be too tight on the head, which is good. Other headphones are like that. Maybe just pop it on and see how it feels. Now, what do you guys think? There it is just there. Doesn't feel very heavy on my head, which is always a good start with using headphones. And my ears go right into the cup, so the cup's good. The cups feel nice plush too. They feel quite nice. Now this is on a lower setting and it just fits my head, so you see if it's bigger, it'll be loose. So maybe these are designed for big heads or something, I don't know. Let's go back to this. So you've got the USB-C cable there and the Douqas, I think it's called. Douqas here as well, and the guide. So I'm gonna go and turn on the headphones. So we turn them by pressing the button here, so holding that down, and it switches them on. Now what do you guys think about the build quality? I think it's quite nice. Looks like quite a nice pair of headphones. I'm gonna get my phone out and we're gonna pair it, and we're actually gonna listen to some music live with Mr. Hugh. I know this is Mr. Gonna listen to some music live. I know this is always very exciting when I do this, guys. So we go and connect. And there we are, the Douqas Care One connected. Now, I should be able to hear the music now. It's connected, yep, connected on the phone. Let's start with my favorite, some dance music. You know, I like to boogie away. So let's go to music. Music. Let's play some dance music. Oh wow, you can really hear the bass actually, it's coming through. Sounds so good so far. It's very loud too. I've only got a quarter and it sounds really loud. Actually, initial impressions from the sound is it's really good. The bass actually came through surprisingly well for a budget pair of headphones. You could hear the sound really clear and had a really good sound stage as well between the bottom and the top. I would actually use these for everyday use, absolutely, for headphones. Let me go and try some music. Let's try some Dance Monkey Tones and I. So wow, sounds good. It's quite impressive actually, guys. For a budget pair of headphones, the music is actually quite impressive. Yeah, what can I say? It's good. If you press EQ, let's see what, equilibrium mode. It's a heavy bass mode, which I love my bass. Local mode. Equilibrium mode. Not sure what equilibrium mode means, but I'll have to look at that later. I think, have a look. Equilibrium mode means high resolution, and the other one is treble bass balance, and the other one's high bass, but sounds quite good. Now again, with this, you don't have noise cancelling, you don't have ambient aware, sound aware, any of those kind of features. I don't think it comes with app support either, but if you guys just want an inexpensive pair of headphones, you can turn on, use and play. These come really, really good. I don't see anything about battery life or anything like that either. Let me have a quick look. Again, sorry guys, I've got to refer to this because we're doing it as we're talking. It's important to see kind of what it comes with. So you've got the charging cable. Yeah, it's just no frills headphones. Literally, you pull them out, listen to them, it does the music, and you put them back. So yeah, well done. Well done, Douqas. The clear one actually are a good, sorry, Douqas, the Care one are actually a good, inexpensive pair of headphones. They're saying 90 hours playtime on here as well. So I'd be interested to test that out. How much is it saying on my app now with the headphones on? So yeah, so 90 hours playtime. I'd be interested to test that out. If you want a good pair of headphones that don't break the bank, go for them. So thanks for joining us here. And also, again, check out our giveaways, check out other reviews, and check out our full review, which will be coming in the future.